Today, we're going to share some practical Google Sheets productivity tips that can help you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently in 2025. Whether you use Google Sheets for work, school, or personal projects, these tips will help you save time and make your spreadsheets more effective. First, take advantage of keyboard shortcuts. Shortcuts like Ctrl plus C to copy, Ctrl plus V to paste, Ctrl plus Z to undo, and Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste without formatting can save you a lot of time. Google Sheets also has shortcuts for navigation, selecting ranges, and formatting, which help you work faster without constantly switching between your mouse and keyboard. Next, use conditional formatting to make your data easier to read. You can highlight cells based on values, such as marking overdue tasks in red or sales above a target in green. This visual approach helps you quickly identify important information without scrolling through rows and columns. Another tip is to use formulas and functions efficiently. Functions like sum, average, countif, VLOOKUP, and concatenate can automate calculations and data management. Learning a few key formulas can save hours of manual work and reduce errors in your spreadsheets. You can also organize your sheets with tabs, filters, and freeze panes. Using multiple tabs for different data sets keeps your spreadsheet organized. Filters allow you to view only relevant information, while freezing rows or columns ensures headers and key data stay visible as you scroll. Finally, leverage Google Sheets add-ons and integrations. Add-ons like Google Analytics, Mail Merge, or project management tools can expand the functionality of your spreadsheets. Integrating sheets with Google Forms, Docs, or Calendar also makes data collection and management much easier. By applying these productivity tips, you can make Google Sheets a powerful tool for managing data, tracking tasks, and improving your workflow in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical productivity tips.